everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of memory low. On the application of Telegram, you will go to settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above, you will search about Telegram as you see and you will click. Here you will go to first stop as you see and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention. Goodbye.